we wanted to do a normal and simple decrease, we would take the 2 front loops of the next stitches to make it into one. So I take the first loop here on the next stitch, the following front loop, yarn over. Okay, and here I have a decrease. But it's not what we want here in this video. We want here to do the decrease using only the back loops. Well, if we had to use the same technique, look how difficult it would be. So I enter the hook here in the back loop. The second one, I cannot enter the loop. You see how difficult it is? Instead of doing that, I will enter the first loop like this, and the second loop, I enter using the back part. You see that we form a V here on the hook. So yarn over, and here is our decrease using the back loops. I will do it again. Enter the loop in the back loop, I'm sorry, and the second loop, you go through the back. You form a V shape in the hook, yarn over, and this is your decrease using the back loops. Another possibility of doing this decrease using the back loops is simply skipping the following loop. So instead of inserting my hook here in the first stitch, I skip this one and I'll enter the second. Yarn over. You see, we cannot even see the loop that we skipped. So instead of inserting here, I'll do a single crochet in the following, another decrease. When you skip the single crochet here, always make sure that the yarn is tied here on the hook, so you won't make like big holes. Like this. You see? There's a big hole here. I don't know if you can see it. So don't let the yarn loose here on the hook. So keep it tight, skip the following stitch, insert, and the next one, yarn over, and it's tied.